this is me. Look out, 'cause here I come. And I'm marching on to the beat I drum.
You doing way better and all out of your feelings. Your edges came back and your ass is getting a little bigger. Girl, fuck that little nigga. Girl, fuck that little nigga. 'Cause you don't deserve that. Girl, you don't deserve that. Girl, you don't.
Hey Goofy Squad, welcome back to my channel, guys. So it's your girl Malia.Angelic, and we have another cooking video. So this is actually one of my HelloFresh video things. I'm cooking the recipe sweet as honey chicken with green beans over jasmine rice. This is what it looks like, and so it gives out all the instructions on the back. And they gave me this. It's like so I could stand up. Like, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. So basically, so I can stand my recipes up and follow the instructions rather than holding it every time. Sorry if I sound too low or whatever. It's my phone, you know, it's just my phone, okay? So I'm finna get started, and I guess I'm gonna read you step 1. And so they have this thing, it says start strong. To get ahead of the game in step 4, whisk together the stock, concentrate, honey, soy sauce, and water in a small bowl before you start cooking. Since I did the start strong already part, like the pre part, put that to the side. First up, it says prep. In a small pot, combine 3/4 cups of water, which is 3/4 cups of water and a pinch of salt. Bring to a boil. Meanwhile, wash and dry all produce except green beans. So basically the chicken, it's defrosting. Mince garlic, cut lime into wedges, peel and mince ginger until you have 1 tablespoon. All right, step 1, here we go. See me struggling in these last clips. Yes, I understand. I don't know how to cook. But that's why we do HelloFresh, so I can learn, okay? It says once the water is boiling, step 2, cook rice and chicken. Once water is boiling, add rice to pot. Cover and reduce to a low simmer. My rice might be burnt. They're boiling freaking pot. So okay. So I ain't got to do the measurement on rice. They already gave it to me. 1/2 cup jasmine rice. Okay. Trash. Okay. Cover and reduce to a low simmer. Cook until rice is tender, 15 to 18 minutes. Keep covered off heat until ready to serve. Meanwhile, pat chicken dry with paper towels. Oh, that's how I get my chicken dry. Okay. Season all over with salt and pepper. Just the basics. Heat a drizzle of oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Add chicken and cook until browned and cook through 5 to 7 minutes per side. Remove from pan and set aside. Okay, step 3. Cook aromatics. That don't sound whatever. We're gonna cook everything else. Heat another drizzle of oil in the same pan over medium-low heat. Add garlic and minced ginger. Cook, stirring until softened and fragrant, 30 seconds to 1 minute. Add vinegar and let cook until almost evaporated. Wow. Okay. 4. Make glaze. We already did that. But we just gotta simmer it and all that stuff. 5. Cook green beans. Lauren's in the back. Your name is LH, okay? Sure. Because LP is already in one video, so you LH, okay? A bug? I'm dead. Okay, cook greens. Let's back to my video. Pierce green bean bag with a fork. Place bag on a plate. Microwave until tender. 1 to 2 minutes. Tip: no microwave, no problem. Steam beans in a small pot with a splash of water until just tender. 5 to 7 minutes. I guess since I got a microwave, I'll do it microwave way, like it told me. Carefully transfer to a medium bowl and toss with 1 tablespoon butter until melted. Squeeze in lime juice to taste. Season with salt and pepper. 6. Serve. Divide rice between plates. Top with green beans, chicken, and any remaining glaze. Serve with remaining lime wedges on the side. We finna figure it out. Guys, I am back after all this cooking. It took me the longest because guess what? I don't know how to cook. So when you know how to cook, it goes easier. But I don't know how to cook, so it went longer than it needs to be. So it's serving time. So my meal plan is for like 2 people, but it's just me, myself, and I. So we're about to serve me something to eat. Huh? Okay, got me a plate. I don't even know about anything about my rice, but y'all finna to see. Okay. This plate is dirty. So we just gonna get some rice. Gonna get a little bit more. Okay. Rice done. Then we're gonna get some greens. Ugh. Put it in the middle. A nice, decent size. Okay. Then we go to the chicken. I let it cook a little longer because I just like it a little longer to make sure it's actually cooked for real. Hey, when the pops do that. Get the smallest piece. Oh, baby, this chicken looks so bomb. Hopefully it tastes bomb. I'll make a mess. Okay, and guys, we are officially done. Made my first HelloFresh meal. Hopefully it tastes good. So I'm just about to close this video out. I gotta clean up, put stuff away. So like all YouTubers say, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos. Peace.